I ordered 2 new batteries for my GoPro. Here's what the old ones look like. I don't know how many of you viewers have noticed this. These old GoPro batteries seem to swell up. When you get the slightest little bit of age on them, they start swelling up, and it's hard to get them out of the camera. You have to pull on this thing with the grip of a gorilla to pull the battery out of the camera. In fact, the other day, one of my batteries, I pulled the whole top off the battery trying to get it out of the camera. So I ordered 2 new ones, and these will look a little different. They're Wasabi power. They got a blue bottom on them. They're not like the original GoPro batteries. But other than that, they look just fine. In fact, we're using one in the camera that I'm videoing with right now. I ordered 2 of these. Anyway, I thought I'd come out here and water my zinnias today. Some days back, I don't know, several days ago, I planted my zinnia seeds, and I've been coming out here every day to my little patch and sprinkling water on them, because you ain't going to grow anything without some water. And it looks like I see little green sprouts coming up. I don't know if that's the flowers or weeds coming back up, but I've been keeping them wet. If they don't grow, it won't be because Walter didn't try. Knockout roses are starting to green up. I guess they'll be blooming pretty soon. Easter lilies are trying to poke up out of the ground here. It's a beautiful day in Georgia. Oh, I'm gonna go over here and give these over here a little drink. I didn't do any particular care on these over here. I just shoveled the dirt real quick and threw some seeds down here. The birds are really taking to my new feeder quite well. Out riding their bikes. I used to ride. I had a big old Kawasaki. I should have kept it, but I sold it because at the time I was still working at the railroad, and I was driving a company truck home every night, and as a result I wasn't riding my bike enough to warrant keeping it, but I should have. My hydrangea is really coming on strong. Looks like we're going to get a lot of blooms this year on this old growth. Last year I got no blooms at all. One of my viewers, I believe it was David, pointed out that the blooms come from the old growth. So I did not cut them back or anything over the winter. I need to get out here with my weed eater, do a little grass trimming today, I guess. This hydrangea is coming back up. It's one I started from root last year. And it was rooted off this plant, and this one here is alive and well. I rooted it off of that plant. Well, I did get to pulling up some weeds here. I guess I'll do a little bit of yard work. Froggy, you got one heck of a mess with all these rocks. I guess the rain washes them down here. Let's go find a rake. Froggy, you gotta quit making such a mess. Thanks for tuning in to my videos today. Not a whole lot of excitement in today's vlog, but I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good day. As P. Walpart saying, catch you later.